This is the car. All the hatches have hinges. This door, passenger side, is like 50% complete. The inner workings are there. I just haven't put the outer skin on. The moving to the back, like I said, all the hinges are here. The only one I haven't finished is the bat wing on this side of the car. This is the back end. The wires hanging out are for the latch to release the rear lid. The lights, I have all the blanks for the lights completed. They need to be either painted or what we were planning on was getting them hydro dipped to look in carbon fiber like the real car. I have the red lens material for the lights. The lights are somewhere in the car. I put a lot of the parts inside the car. It's been covered and protected from the weather the whole time it's been out here. And after this, I'm going to recover it and keep it protected. So I don't want the glass to get ruined by being eaten by the sun, which has not happened. The fiberglass is smooth. It looks ugly, but it's just paint and wax. So any other questions, give me a call.